there, guys and gals. This is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. So today's video is focusing on an attraction marketing system that I use to generate leads for my business that I've been getting questions and emails about. As far as how I use it to build my business, what role does it play in my business overall, and people wanted me to dive a little bit deeper into how I actually use it and what it's good for. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a little bit more in depth into what MLSP is, how I use it in my business, how you can possibly use it in your business, and I'm going to actually be really transparent. I'm going to show you exactly what I do, exactly how I use it, where I put my links for it, and all that good stuff. And then you can determine at the end of the video if you feel that it is going to be something that's going to help you build your business as well. So if you want to know a little bit more about this lead generation training system that I use inside of my business called MLSP, then keep on watching. Again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. All right, guys and gals. Well, it's a question that's been coming up in my comments and people have been emailing me about it. What exactly is MLSP? I see you use it in your description box. What does it actually do? How do you use it? So I'm going to answer a lot of those questions today. So in order to kind of put my thoughts together, I actually created a little bit of kind of like a sheet for you because I'm a visual person. I learn visually, so I'm gonna show you exactly how I use MLSP, and maybe you'll end up seeing that you could use it for your business too. Okay, so this video is gonna be a little informal, so I am going to take out a page sheet that I was working on, and I'm gonna bring it into the screen right here. Okay, so basically, first I want to show you the percentage of MLSP inside my business as opposed to what Builderall is, which is my primary company. Okay, so what you see here in blue, this is basically primarily what I put my attention on. It's probably a little bit even more than that, to be honest, at this point, but basically Builderall is my primary program. Okay, and then MLSP, what MLSP is the following things. MLSP is a lead generation system. It helps give you done-for-you training that helps people, in their business. It helps teach them how to generate leads, and I'll show you that in just a second, okay? And in turn, it helps generate leads for you. So by giving away free MLSP training, it actually helps me generate leads, right? And I also use it as a funded proposal because it creates extra income through courses and training, etc. And I will also show you that in just a second. Now, the way that it creates extra income is if you sign up people for MLSP from time to time, they release training courses or special offers and stuff like that. So if you have people that are signed up in MLSP, and let's say they do some sort of a blog training or a ManyChat training or whatever, and the product is $200-300, okay? Because you are signed up with MLSP, anyone who is an affiliate or any customer who's signed up under MLSP under you, if they happen to purchase a product on an MLSP webinar, you earn those commissions, okay? So it's just a way to make extra money, and what it ends up doing is paying for some of your marketing expenses, like for your autoresponders. It can pay for your Builderall or for your network marketing company. If you're in a network marketing company watching this, it can pay for your auto ship, etc. That's what a funded proposal is, okay? It is taking, creating products, creating value, and letting those, the funds that are generated through those products pay for your expenses, okay? So it's called a funded proposal. Don't know exactly why, but that's what that is, okay? So you're generating, you're having products absorb the cost of your advertising and of the value production of building a downline, okay? And that costs money to build a downline in marketing training, in advertising, in traffic, and all that stuff. So if you're selling products or, you know, like digital marketing products or training, that helps you absorb those costs or cancel out those costs, okay? So that basically your marketing expenses are free. So MLSP is also considered like a funded proposal in that sense, okay? So what I make in MLSP can cover my marketing expenses basically, if that makes sense, okay? So my primary goal for MLSP is to generate leads that will ultimately be exposed to my brand, which is my Rise Marketing and Design, my digital products, which are my own training products. It helps expose people to my digital marketing programs that I've created myself, my own marketing products, okay? And my primary program, which is a Builderall, okay? So those are the ways that I use MLSP as a lead generation system, as a done-for-you training that I give away, and that helps me generate leads. I use it as a funded proposal to help create a little extra income so that it absorbs my marketing and advertising costs and basically absorbs the cost of building a downline in Builderall. You understand? Okay. And then I also have it as a resource for people that are not inside my primary company. So if people are not signed up with me in Builderall, but they're looking for marketing training, I'll point them to MLSP because it'll teach them how to generate leads. And also I use it as an extra training resource for my team. So for example, if my team wants to learn, let's say, how to sell with webinars, okay? We have a webinar platform inside Builderall, but I don't have training to tell you how to do a killer webinar where you can make a ton of sales. MLSP does though. So I would direct you to MLSP to get that training, and then you can come back and use the Builderall platform to actually do it, okay? All right, so keeping that in mind, let me log into MLSP so that you have a better picture of exactly how I use it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna log into my Builderall, to my to my Lead System Pro's back office. MLSP stands for My Lead System Pro, so I'm gonna sign in really quickly. And I'm going to be totally transparent, right? So I'm an L1 in their system. I'm about to be an L2, I think. I'm not really concerned about building a team in MLSP. I'm using it as the tool to help me build my business. I love them. They're great people. They have awesome training, great tools. And honestly, they have some of the best training, I believe, in this space, okay? But they cater to both network marketing, which is a big target market for me. I target network marketing because I'm familiar with it, and you can scale your network marketing business using the Builderall tools. All right, and then I also target affiliate marketing and people that want to build their own business. So the cool thing about MLSP is that they teach you how to do marketing from the network marketer's perspective and from the affiliate marketer's perspective. So they actually have a getting started, simple startup, that when you do their 10-day trial for 10 days, you would actually come through here, through their quick start. And actually, let me see. It says, okay, let me go back here so that you can see when you log in to MLSP, when you first get started, the first thing they're going to ask you is, what are you in? Are you in network marketing? Or are you in a traditional business? Okay, so then you answer this question. I'm currently in a network marketing business. Okay, so then you go through this portal where all the training is going to be focused in on how to build your network marketing company. If you go here, okay, if you have your own digital marketing courses, if you are a course creator, coach, etc., you're going to enter through here, and then that's going to be a little bit, the training is going to be a little bit different depending on what way you're coming into MLSP. And I really like that. They weren't like that before. They were more just network marketing. But if you are growing in this industry, eventually you do end up being a product creator and building your own brand. That is actually the goal, to build your own brand and then have all these other multiple streams of income inside of your brand umbrella, okay? That's a little bit higher level, but anyway, that's the ultimate goal, okay? So I am going to just kind of show you, I'm going to blur out the actual usernames, okay? But I'm going to go ahead and just kind of show you like my earnings right now in MLSP. And it's not a bunch, it's just a decent amount, okay? But like right here, I have like $333. That covers my monthly Builderall expense. That covers my MLSP expense. That covers my webinar Zoom. I have the webinar platform through MLSP. Another thing, MLSP, they broker some really good deals with some third-party marketing companies. So right now, as the Builderall platform is actually being further developed, the webinar platform, in the meantime, I'm using Zoom because I can do more things with the Zoom webinar platform, including hosting my coaching stuff, okay? So basically, you'll see here that there's like different little commission amounts. It's not a ton. By the way, I'm at the basic level. You see this? There's 3 different levels. There's the basic, there's the professional, and there's the premium. I'm at the $50 level because right now that's all I personally need because my focus is my primary company, okay? So like I said, in this page right here, MLSP is only this part of my business, okay? And it reflects in the money as well, okay? But you know, it's not bad, right? It's a good amount, you know. I'm not going to say no to over $300, okay? So what happens is, as people sign up, they start buying products. And so the money that you earn with these products helps you put money back into advertising. It helps you put money back into lead generation, etc., etc., okay? So now that you see how that works, now let me show you what I really use MLSP for, okay? So right in here, they have this thing called, actually it's here, websites. They have MLSP campaigns, MLSP product campaigns, and MLSP system campaigns. Now remember, right down here, I said I use it as a lead generation system. I've already shown you how I use it as a funded proposal through the commissions that I earn through MLSP. I put that back into marketing expenses, paying for my webinar, paying for, you know, monthly marketing expenses, etc., okay? But guess what? I'm also using it to expose people to my primary company, which is Builderall, right? So what I do is I come over here, and when I do my videos, if you look in my description box, and I will show you that right below. If you look in my description box, so let's go to my description box really quickly. So if you go inside my description box, and I'm like giving you guys like my process, okay? So you can just take it and run with it. That's fine, right? So in my description box, okay, you'll see that I have free training resources, okay? Now if you click on these links, let's open them up in a new tab, okay? They are going to MLSP campaign. So here is an MLSP campaign, right? So when they come in here, let me just show you how this works. They go over here and they're going to enter their name. So I'm just going to put a bogus name for right now, right? So let's just say Jenny, right? And we're going to put Jenny is awesome. Jenny is awesome at gmail.com. Jenny is awesome. Let's put some numbers behind here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? I'm not going to put the phone number. So think about this. This is someone who's in my YouTube. They're clicking on the links. I'm directing them to check out free training resources. I use MLSP as a free training source. I did not have to create this myself. They come in here. Whoops. And now I go ahead and click here. And now they are on my list. And you'll see here my name is Barbie Figueroa. Okay? And now they're going to get their training. Okay? But here's what's cool about MLSP. Right over here, they have a thing called My Opportunity. It's a link to your opportunity. And in the back of MLSP, I have this programmed so that the people that are looking for training, they go and they get exposed to Builderall. So it's like a big circle. I use MLSP to expose people to Builderall, right? And for people that don't join me in Builderall, I expose them to MLSP, because at least if they don't join me in Builderall, hey, everybody needs to learn how to generate leads and make money online, right? So that's how I use it. So if you click over here, boom, it goes to my capture page for Builderall, okay? So that's pretty cool. So that's how I use MLSP in my business. Now, they have different campaigns. All you have to do is pick the ones that you like. See? So all these are designed to generate leads. And so the person enters their name and email, and they become a lead on my list. So MLSP helps me build my list. But I am letting those leads be exposed to Builderall, if that makes sense. Now let me just show you one last thing. So once the lead opts into your list inside of MLSP, then I come over here to my prospects and it says my CRM. Whoops, I have to log in again. So let's go ahead. It logs you out after it times out. So let's go, and you'll see that I have a bunch of leads that come in through my, let's go look at all my prospects, okay? So I just have lists, I have pages and pages and pages and pages of leads, okay? And then all I do is on the back end, I am exposing these leads to BuilderAll or to anything else that I have. So once they're on my list, I can send them emails about anything that I want to, okay? So basically that is it. That is how I use MLSP. Now some of you have also asked me about how much is MLSP, how much does it cost, etc. You can just go here to either the annual or the monthly, okay? And the basic level, that's where I'm at. I pay 50 bucks a month, and then you've got the professional, which is at $149, and the premium is $299. So that is up to you. I am more of a conservative person. I recommend that if you're just getting started and you're brand new, you start at the basic and you work your way up. You know what I mean? And so you get all these things inside of MLSP. They have a thing called Funnelizer. I think I have like maybe one thing on Funnelizer, but you know, BuilderAll is where I build all my funnels because I can completely, totally customize them. Whereas in Funnelizer, you just have like a template and you have to stay within the confines of that template. You don't have the customization ability that you do with BuilderAll. So I really don't use it much. I think I have one, maybe two campaigns that I've used with it, but for the most part, for all my personal stuff, I use BuilderAll. Okay, and then you can check out everything that's included in all the plans. And you can start with a 10-day trial, okay? So what I've done is, it says a risk-free trial, you can start it for 10 days. So what I've done is right below this video in my description box, okay? Check out my description box. You can see exactly what I do, and I pretty much promote my links very passively. I don't hard sell anything. This video has just been created to answer questions that I've been getting about MLSP, how I use it, how I use it to build my business, and how big of a part of it is of my business and all that good stuff. Okay, so that's exactly what I do. I'm at the basic plan. I use the education. The education actually helps me become a better marketer. And honestly, everything that I've learned, you know, positioning myself online to attract more leads, sales, and signups, I basically learned it at MLSP. But what I've done is, which is the ultimate goal of MLSP, is to build your brand as you're getting this training so that ultimately you can create your own products, your own coaching packages, your own you know, courses and stuff like that. Ultimately, that is the end goal in MLSP, and they teach you how to do that, which is pretty much what I've done, right? So yeah, they're like the foundation of attraction marketing training. So if you want to check them out, there's no obligation whatsoever. I have a link right below this video. You can start at the $10 trial, and then, you know, it's 50 bucks a month at the basic, but go through the training. It's only going to work if you actually go through the training. So anyway, hopefully that video helped. MLSP is just another tool in my arsenal that I use to generate leads, to get people the education they need to learn how to build their business online. And it's another way that I expose more people to my primary company, which is BuilderAll. So if this video helped you, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell. That way you are alerted when I upload my next video. And again, if you want to just use MLSP just to try their training, even if you don't sign up, I've got free training resources right inside my description box. Go ahead, check them out, and you can get some free education from them. And if you're interested in partnering with me in BuilderAll, if you're not in BuilderAll already and you want to be a part of Team Rise and learn how to use our tools to build your business, you can activate a 7-day free trial. I'll have all the links right below in my description box. Just check that out. And yeah, so anyway, this has been Barbie Figueroa. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please make sure to visit my website at www.risemarketinganddesign.com. And as always, I will see you on the next video. Bye!